Good morning, everyone. I'm going to give you a kind of a review of my RV remodel. I went from an old ugly brown color and with brown vinyl flooring to now white and black with the gray flooring that I installed. So I'll give you a quick tour. This is a stereo that my son helped me put in when I first bought the RV with my surround sound speakers with my TV. And it's changed my wall mount TV that was mounted inside with a smart TV. I made this little display cabinet which has my firefighter helmet from when I was a firefighter. My last 10 years at Coast Guard Fire, that's what this helmet was from. A little appreciation when I was at Washington State Parks as a camp host. And then I have this from Washington State Parks when I was a full-time employee at Belfair State Park. But anyway, here is, I took my dinette area and I actually covered my seats with covers, which I got off of Amazon, gray ones. And as you can see, the white, all this stuff, cabinets were the same color as my bedroom, which I will show you shortly, but the white actually turned out pretty awesome. And the countertops I did black, which turned out pretty good. They were brown also. My refrigeration, I did all the trim black. These cabinets in my bedroom, that's what the cabinets looked like before. I kept my bedroom the same since it matches my retirement gift. And I bought a quilt to kind of go with the gray color coordination of my RV. Also, I got carpets to match with all the gray, all these gray curtains you see in the front cab area and around the RV. Those are all thermal curtains, which they really help dramatically to keep the cold out when it's cold and windy. And my bathroom now with the gray vinyl floors is color coordinated, looks pretty good. And I have my kitchen area, which now it's black over white. Turned out really awesome. This here is Beyond Paint. That's what I recommend. That's what I used on all my cabinets, my walls, and my countertops. You can use it on anything, metal, wood, etc. It dries fast, and because I'm in an RV, I couldn't take the smell of any toxic paint, so this is non-toxic paint, no hazardous smells, and when you put it on, it actually dries in a smooth look where it doesn't have any paintbrush lines, etc. So I hope you enjoyed the tour of my RV. I hope you guys have an awesome Sunday.